Fun feels just fine. Fix, 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 E-I-E-I-O, Nanty. Kitty saves the farm, you know. Hey! E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Cutie kitty runs the show. One quank, munch, quack, two. Fun farm just for me and you. This is fun. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's go. Your cat's so happy. Best party. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark kitty on the farm t-bay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats fast. Oh no, no, no. Kid says wink, my food is here. Kitty shouts.
Oh, yes. Cheer.
Big burgers, apples, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight.
My food is gone.
Kitty burps.
Carry on.
Oink, 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 oink. E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats it all, you know. Rooster shouts, honk, cock-a-doodle-doo. Kitty says,
I'll eat that too.
seeds, grains, crunch, crunch fast. Nothing lasts.
Nothing lasts.
Rooster cries.
What is this?
Kitty says,
Delicious bliss.
cock-a-doodle, E-I-E-I-O. Kitty eats fast, don't you know? Sheep says, Papa, grass is mine. Kitty says,
Looks so fine.
pick grass on, whole field clean. Each sheep says, this is not mean. Kitty rolls.
Yummy, yummy.
Farm is now an empty tummy. Ba ba ba.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty eats it all, you know. Now the farm is empty land. Animals looking very sad. Kitty suddenly stops and sees. Oh no, I ate everything. She rubs her belly slow. Maybe I should stop. You know, Farmer Kitty had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. But she ate it all, you know, no. Oh, I'm gone too fast. Nothing left.
Oh, what a blast. E-I-E-I-O. 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 E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty says,
I take it all, yo.
wow. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none? Pig says, just, this is fun. Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, what? Please. Master shouts, no, no, no ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh.
Oh no!
Hey, Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba ba ba, everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba ba ba, splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say worry. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back. No more dinos riding the train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi do they fix the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the Dino train today.
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino
Wow! Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Freddy Shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles Kitty walks in, soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky.
Just for you.
Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet.